Hello, everyone. When customers purchase goods or avail services from your company and pay on a later date, we use the Create Invoices icon to record the sales. After we create an invoice, it will go to the accounts receivable of the customer and also adds to our sales. For our video for today, I'm going to show you how to create an invoice and then receive payments from customers on account. Okay, so before we create an invoice, first is we need to make sure that we have items for sale. So we go to items and services, and then these are our inventory for sale. Or if you are a service-based business, your services will be listed here. And then let's go to the customer center. So we have to make sure that we already have our customer names here so that it's convenient when we create the invoice. I'll go back to the home page and I will click Create Invoice. So I will put in the customer name, 1590 Energy Corporation, and then the account goes to the accounts receivable, peso. The template is optional, and then the date, the invoice numbers. You can also put in the purchase order number, the terms, and then if you have sales rep, the ship date, the via or the shipping, method of shipping, and then FOB for the shipping if it's shipping point or destination. And then let's go to the first column. This is the quantity. I will purchase 500. This item. Price each is 900 and it's VATable. I will also change the customer to VATable, VAT output, which is 12%. So the total amount before VAT is 450,000, and then we add 54,000 as 12% VAT. The total accounts receivable is 504,000. I will click Save here, keep the number, and then keep the customer as VATable. I will click Yes, and I will press Ctrl Y so we can see the journal entry of this transaction. We have a debit of 504,000 to our accounts receivable, and then our sales is 450,000. And since we are selling an inventory asset, there's a credit of 1,770 for the inventory asset account and the same amount for the cost of goods sold. And our VAT output is 54,000. Next is we will receive the payment from this customer. I'll go back to the home page and I will click Receive Payments. I will put in the customer name and pay in full, 504,000. The date today, I will deposit the money to our security bank. So just make sure that the line item, this invoice number is checked so that the payment will be applied to this invoice. Okay, I will click Save and Close. Let's go back to our customer center and let's check the invoice. I will double click the invoice. Okay, so as you can see, there's a paid stamp. And if you click this link for the history, you can see the date of payment. Okay, I will click Save and Close. And then I will double click the payment. So I will press Ctrl Y for the journal entry. Okay, so for the journal entry, we have a debit of 504,000 to our security bank and then a credit of 504,000 to our accounts receivable. So the payment closes the accounts receivable.
For more QuickBooks tutorials, tips, and tricks, just subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.